In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and play Among Us on Android. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store on your phone, and mine's located at the bottom left on my home screen. And then you just want to type in the search bar Among Us. It's the top result. I'm going to tap on that. And then you want to go ahead and press the green install button. That's going to go ahead and download Among Us. So I'll be back when that's finished. Okay, so the download has finished and it's gone ahead and installed Among Us on my device. So I can go ahead and tap the green open button to open the game. And when you launch the game for the first time, this is going to pop up. Just tap on accept. And now you can go ahead and play a game of Among Us. So what you need to do is tap on online, and you have a couple of options. You can host a game, you can enter a public game, or you can send a private invite code to your friends so they can join your game. So the first step would be to enter in your name. And in this example, I'm just going to go and create a game. And then you'll have the option to select your map. You have 3 options for the map. You can select between 1 and 3 imposters. And you can have a minimum players of 4 and a max players of 10. So I'm just going to select a random number and then tap on confirm. And now you'll be in the game and you can go ahead and move around and start playing Among Us. So that is how you download and play Among Us on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.